Yeah, come on, Bonnie. Come back over here, please. Okay? Austin's sitting up here. So all sit around.
One other mother will come and they'll sit down there. You hold my ticket? Yeah. He's pretty much of a daredevil already, so yeah, anything that he learns new, like jumping off the couch. I can't wait to meet him when he's up to. Wait. Little bacon.
She'll get on our train.
Anybody get hungry? Come on. That's the right family.
Well, you want two for everybody, at
How long
least.
do we go without eating? Okay,
Can you see okay, Bonnie? Going over bumps in the track. What you think, Bonnie? Huh? The tracks, that's right. You see how Austin? Can you see okay, Steve? You want to stand up? You want to stand up like Bonnie?
Line that goes through Arlington. They have to slow
What's in that window? Wow, look how fast we're going. This is super fast.
There's seats in the upper deck.
Don't go up?
Sure.
Ask the kids. They
It
won't
doesn't
go up.
matter. Do you want to go up higher? Yes, Bonnie wants to. You know, how many times do they get to be in something moving without being strapped in?
Yeah,
the car seat?
being able to walk around.
You know, this is. I'll get it in. This is.
Next station.
Let them have. That way they can shoot them better. I don't really want to be in the video.
Yeah, I don't want to be in the video either.
I'll not be in the video.
videos
That'll just be one more thing for me to look at.
Oh, bless you.
I couldn't believe it when I saw you. Because first thing I thought was, oh my God, she's so
I guess I better say that in case
she's
you
got to be
want
wearing what?
There's
At least
a
like an
season
8.
in case you lose all the rest
Well,
of you.
they may come back and ask you for
I think these are 10.
This station
Oh,
is
I think those are
Richland Hills.
I'd actually I would have I'd cut off a leg for a 10, but that wouldn't do it. It'd have to be the butt and the leg.
I could get my arm in a 10, maybe. Up to the elbow. Past that. It's gonna go. We're stopping, getting new passengers.
Get more people.
Bonnie. Not yet. In a minute.
Sis, where did you go shopping for this cute outfit?
I know she's so cute.
Walmart.
Matching shoes and everything.
I see it, Bonnie.
If you're there the day they deliver the stuff, you can get the good ones.
That's true.
And everything to match.
Hey, are we going to stop for a minute? Okay, we'll go in a minute.
She telling you what's what?
Uh-huh.
You can buy t-shirts for like $2.50. Shorts for like $3 or $4.
So if they get wrecked or like
Yeah.
whatever.
He'll run
Wow.
the
My little thing that I'm
and it's $2.50.
She looks bigger than I was picturing.
Tries to
Taller.
flush his underwear. They were 99 cents.
Cindy sent me the measurements, though. I made it according to the measurements.
Plumbing repair costs way more.
Go train. I think
Luckily,
we're
we caught it
going.
both times. and tried to do it.
We're going. We're going. Look, we're moving.
The next station
It's a
is
cute
Woolworth Intermodal Transportation Center.
Do we know where we are? I mean,
This is the Richland Hills station? Or
do we start off slow and then go faster and
it's
faster?
121 kind of goes off where all those tile places are? Is that what that is? Oh, I think so.
Hold hold on, we're going faster.
It's that 182, 183, 10 split. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Now she's trying, no
Yeah,
hands.
no hand, look at her.
No hands, Nana.
No hands.
See,
No
see,
hands, I'm
see
just
how
standing.
I'm not even thinking about it because my arms are standing straight down.
Yeah, that's it.
What'd you say? What I missed?
Oh, Bonnie was standing there, no hands, balancing.
No, and then she put them straight down. Like, look, I'm not even thinking about it.
Well, we'll actually get out of the,
Not yet.
in just a minute.
Got some speed demons here.
She gets in the car and she tells my mom, faster.
No, let's stay right here.
Faster. I want it loud.
We need to stay right here.
She wants music loud, she wants this loud, and then go fast.
Bonnie thinks the point of this is to change seats every 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So she did not cry until
That's where we started off. You need to hold on.
The other morning I had to stop.
No, we'll just stay right here.
Letting out. So we stopped at the gas station. So we normally take a right, the red light, or we take a left and I take a right. Yes! No school! Oh my gosh, how funny! I was like, no, buddy, you're still going.
I hear a whistle. I hear a whistle.
I got her mind off of it.
She did not like where it
He
goes.
does. He just didn't want to go that
It's
far.
like they like it once they get there.
Yeah.
It's just like work, you know, sometimes once you get there, it's the whole.
Well, not always.
Well, you know, everybody's got to have a woman.
How does that
You've
work?
been out for too long.
Yeah. See, don't tell me it's not the natural order of things.
Pretty much the drive to and
Great,
from.
I wanted my daughter's
today.
Yeah.
I can just sit there with my coworkers.
Right, doing the train dance.
The next station is Fort Worth Intermodal Transportation Center.
Push the middle. Is this where we get off?
I've never heard of any of these places.
This is the end, I
Bonnie,
think.
stop right here.
This is the end,
Bonnie, I want your
Yeah,
picture.
the end goes all the way to Fort Worth.
to the downtown. Yeah. Okay.
That's what that is.
Okay, is that where we're just about to be?
We're slowing down. We're not stopping.
Yeah.
Look at the window.
Huh? You want to look out the window? Absolutely, baby.
Listen, I've had that window first.
What do you see going out there, huh? You see anything out there? I got there. Oh, right. Where are we, huh? We're like over on Beach Street, I think. Yep. There's Riverside. So we're on Riverside.
I was getting ready to call her.
They were rescued.
They were rescued.
The museum.
I didn't get the memo that no one was coming today.
Well, Fort Worth has a.
We ate breakfast before we came at Denny's.
You want a cookie first? Well, why don't we
Do you
save
want
the
to put
cookie?
juice boxes in there? Juice boxes.
I know.
Something drink.
You ready for a juice box?
The drinks are all different, so.
Okay, there you go, bud.
Ooh, is that a good juice box?
I think so. Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Friend at work.
Welcome back.
No, if you squeeze them at all, it shoots out the straw.
Yeah, it does.
Thanks for telling me.
I know. I know.
Like a
Everything we have has juice box squirted on it.
figure out how to.
And then they went to that Jackson Fest. That was last week.
You're welcome.
Did you hear her telling Austin? Say thank you. Say thank you when I open the juice box.
Washington and
There you
then
go.
that trail.
Woohoo!
Inside Passage. We took that boat. But we had a car, so we got off.
We never did the cruise for as long as we were up there.
I loved it.
We did just that little day one. Remember when we
Yeah.
go to Valdez?
Yeah,
we
we
go
also
over to
went up
Valdez
to,
and then
what's above Anchorage?
North Pole.
Yeah.
Oh, where their university is.
Fairbanks.
Fairbanks.
children.
We took
Look
the
at
train.
Monkey babies. Monkey babies. Are you my monkey baby? Huh? The monkey baby? Well, next cruise we go on as a family, you should come go with us, Gene. It's a lot of fun.
We'll see.
Yes.
Should. It's pretty great. There's people that cook all the time.
They come in and
You
make
just-
every time you come
just
into
go
your
down there and eat
and lay
and
down.
walk away.
Oh,
Don't even have to say thank you.
You make your bed like 5 times a day.
And
Every
you
time
do
you
that for about a week and you get home.
It's like,
Running in the train.
Be careful. Watch out where you're going.
It kind of looks like old-fashioned Somebody give those babies some scissors.
Scissors, suckers with hard. Don't push. No pushing.
You're silly.
That's what comes from going to preschool with all boys for 3 years.
Yeah.
That's why we have our boys.
Yeah, this shoots 24 frames a second.
Man.
HD.
Since she was
energy.
Austin, come here.
They'll be ready for camp when they get back tonight.
Yeah. They should be.
Hey, come here, come here, come here.
You know, put them down by the time we get back to the house. Jack them up one more time.
Come on, Vaughn.
Okay, Bonnie.
Come on.
Do not go pat, don't go down to the bar
I
yet.
ordered chicken nuggets and I've got those vegetables, just in case anybody's hungry again.
Well, I don't think hunger, personally, hunger never enters the picture.
Bonnie.
Not sure I ever actually, I don't know that I know what hunger feels like.
I know, you never.
Fort Worth Intermodal Transportation Center.
Hey, get up here.
Watch out the window.
Here's a whole seat right there. One up there?
Come over here, Bonnie.
Get up in the seat.
Bonnie. Fall down. No, we're not gonna run again. We're not running.
Here, that's trash. Let's put it in the.
Well, you're
I can stand here as long as you can. He just looked at his watch, Barney. I think he's.
why they were late.
You ready to go open some presents at Gigi's?
Is that
Mom?
Yeah.
Cool.
Best part. Look, Sissy made this
Oh, cool.
for bird watching. Okay. Okay, this is from Nana.
All right, buddy, here's your trash bag, okay?
Oh, I don't guess I don't need to write yours down.
I probably, yeah, I know. Chicken Joe. And look, it has a music. It has some music with it. Okay. What's in there? All right. Thank you. How does that work? You never know how that works, don't you? You bought several and you let me have one?
It seemed like that was a long time ago. I thought you had gotten those
No, I mean the pieces.
Hey, birthday girl.
Thank you.
Bonnie. Stickers.
He's a little over.
Crayons. This is from Uncle Cody, Aunt Becky, and Austin.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, man.
It is very.
Look at this. Oh, man. Bonnie, who's in this book?
Oh, sis, I'm not writing down.
Books and coloring and art stuff.
Take it
Hang on.
Ask her if she'll wait to open that till Lisa gets here.
Okay, yeah, wait, here, let me have
That's
this.
from Aunt Lisa.
Yeah, we're gonna wait on
Where's
this.
that Lisa?
Well, they
In the
stopped
Chick-fil-A.
and ready it
Okay, you can open
for
this
me.
one.
I didn't know.
Well, do we need to stop and wait for them?
I thought they would be here by now.
Austin, hey, bud,
I guess not.
No,
Austin.
once
Come
it
here.
started.
Pretty soon it will be. The door handle, he can open all of them, so it's not.
Cool.
Oh my goodness.
Let's open this. This is from Gigi. This Nana can figure out what she's doing here.
Bonnie, can you believe it?
Hey, Bon, let's wait a minute. Let's slow down just.
Gosh, Bonnie! And a tray!
She's like, let's open this.
Oh, Charles, all right. Is it exciting? No, it's Play-Doh. I think it's Play-Doh kind of stuff. Hey. And markers. On the farm.
Come by, coming through.
Let him down. He's okay.
He's all right to play. He can come in there. She's not gonna know the difference if something's been opened by.
Thank you. Okay, blow. Blow again. Yay! Good job, honey. All right, you ready for a piece of cake? You want a piece of cake? A tray. Are you doing it? Okay. Are you starving? Well, of course it snaps together. There we go. Yeah.
Or do that.
All right. Is it good?
Oh, Austin's already checking it out.
Good job, honey.
Don't want lemonade or
Sure to lick the train.
That by your It's very sharp. Mom, you got forks for these cake pieces? Here. Lemonade or tea? Oh,
Austin, stop.
just get real with it.
It's okay, baby. Let me show you this one.
Lay a pile over here.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Nana. Thanks, Nana.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You want some mine? This one? Okay, there you go.
All right. You want a fork? No? Okay.
He's got the stick. Eat your cake.
Again, you're welcome.
Hey, but that's not a. That works.
Yes, it is.
You use it like this.
Want some lemonade? And tea?
Is it good, Bonnie? You want lemonade or tea? You want a cup of, you want something to drink?
That's all right.
You want some, let me give her some lemonade, tea, water. Lemonade, you need lemonade?
can't see.
It doesn't have a lid. Yes, I love your haircut, Bonnie. It looks so cute. Perfect little girl haircut.
I can't do that.
We got there. Present, but we have to wait for all bodies to get here, right?
I got you a present. You want to see the bag? Come in here.
Say, I don't wanna see the bag, I wanna see it.
Hey, dude,
Come here.
don't be messing with me.
So we wanna,
Oh. Yeah, just like.
Don't you have one more job to do?
No, we gotta wait till after. Who is that?
You're right, Wendy.
Kitty, yes.